inclined roads, you can see that I have left my car on gear number 1, and this is called engine braking, and it helps you to drive down these incline in controlled speed, because gear number 1 is designed to run under 10 to 15 kilometers per hour, and that's how you can maneuver the car easily. So never ever press the clutch, because that would lead to excessive speeding, and you may not be able to control your vehicle. So this is a small video which I wanted to make on this particular aspect, because I've seen that when people are trying to come down the ramp, their vehicle seems out of control, or probably not fully in their own control. So again, you can see that I'm going to encounter a ramp, so I put my car on gear number 1, and I just leave it. So I'm not able to I won't be able to show you my speedometer, but that is carrying me around 8 or 10 kilometers per hour. So this is how you should drive down, and you can just accelerate and again leave the accelerator, and it will again bring the speed to a controlled level.